Hello everyone, I'm Chai Tech and welcome back to my channel. How you all doing today? I hope you have a great day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the issues where CapCut on PC won't log in using QR code from your phone, whether you are using on iPhone or Android. Have you faced these issues? Have you scanned the QR from your phone but the CapCut on the PC still doesn't sign in? These issues can be really frustrating, right? I know because I faced the same problem before. At first, I thought it was small glitch, but no matter how many times I try, it just won't log in. But then really, I found some solution that actually work. So, watch the video carefully and follow my step to fix it together. So I have two solutions for you. And now we talk about the solution one. Link your CapCut account. The first and easiest way to fix the issues by linking your CapCut account to another login method like Google, TikTok, Facebook, or Apple ID. Instead to link your account, open CapCut on your phone. Go to Setting and find the Account section. Select Link Account and choose wherever you want, Google, TikTok, Facebook, or Apple ID. And then after you link your account already, you can open CapCut on your PC and log in using the LinkedIn account instead of QR code. This method uh, usually work for many people because it provides an alternative login option. If you already link your account before, before, but it still can log in, try unlink it and link it again. Sometimes it refreshes the connection and solve these issues. However, if this method doesn't work for you, don't worry. There are another solution. So now we move to solution 2. If you log in with your LinkedIn account doesn't work, these issues might be the CapCut installation itself. In this case, reinstalling CapCut and fix it. Step 2. Uninstall and reinstall CapCut. Uninstall CapCut. Right click on the CapCut and select Open File Location. Then find the Uninstall option and click on it. When choose Keep User Data. So this way you won't lose your save file, your project. Click on OK to start the installation process. Reinstall CapCut. Then now go to official CapCut website and download the latest version. After you download and you can reinstall your CapCut again. About the process maybe take a few minutes. So I hope everyone can be patient about it. So now click on confirm. For me, this method working perfectly. After installing, I scan the QR code. Yes, I scan the QR code and it logged in successfully. And about the solution 3, additional troubleshoot tip. If you are still have trouble login, the more thing you have to check is restart your PC and the phone. Sometimes it simple restart and refresh the system so the login issues. And check your connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. A big connection can prevent CapCut from login. So in the final, I hope this video maybe help you to fix your CapCut login issues. If it worked for you, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and leave a comment. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, my friend.